Good morning, everyone. It is March 30th of 2025, and let's review the market. If you're new to the channel, we follow four ETFs here: TQQQ, SPXL, TNA, and UDOW. One of the reasons why we do it, we like to keep it simple. And by doing that, it allows us to focus on the big picture. And for many of you, a lot of you are chasing everything and anything under the sun because someone has told you about a service that is recommending that you take this trade or you take that trade. And let me tell you, if you're new to trading, that is the fastest way to slam up against a wall and never get back up. Uh, I've been doing this for a while, and it seems like whenever the market goes into a correction, all the new members stop. And really, this is the most important time for you to be in the market so that you can understand what is happening. You see, last year was an uptrend. Last year was one of those years where we had the 212 up all year. All year we went up, okay? And then going into 2025, we talked about how this could be the year of the hangover or the year of it going down because now we're set up to go 1, 2, 2 possibly down. But right now we are still inside and it's a mess. It is an absolute mess because if you look at the quarter here, we have 322 in force to the downside. And this is something that happened way back yonder here. And if you just pause this right here and you look at where this correlates to the actual reversal here on the day, let's just look at this. Let's take a look at this right here, okay? And you'll notice that I have my crosshairs right here at 67.44 for the quarter and where we are still in force in order to go down. People, so many of you bit hard on this where we went 2-2 up for the day and I said this looks like a TTO in the Discord server. And people are like, oh no, no, the worst is behind us. It's time for us to reverse. And I said, that might happen. That might happen because I don't have a crystal ball and I can't predict the future. But just keep in mind that we have bigger time frames that are telling us down, 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 and then possibly a TTO because we have to TTO somewhere. And last week we tried to do it and they suckered us back in right here, but you can see right where they took us, right back to the retest of the quarter. And man, did they hit this thing for the last 3 days. Now, the question is, are we going to continue to go down? We have one more day. So if you're a stratter, you really believe we can get down to this 52 area tomorrow. Or possibly down, I hate to say it, down to here. But here's the deal. Let's just get through March. We have one more day left in March. And then the quarter, the month, the week, and the day will all reset. And hopefully, just hopefully, in April, things change a little bit. But there are so many damage charts out there right now. And a lot of the guys that I've gotten to know, or the traders I've gotten to know in the Discord server, we're all saying the same thing. We don't have any setups, not unless you're going to the downside. We just don't have any setups to the upside right now. And if you look at the big picture for SPXL, you can see the same price action, right? Inside year, 222 rev in force for the quarter, month down, week down, and then right here on the day was the TTO. TNA, we have the 222 rev down in force for the year. Target on this thing is 2205. And you can see we hit target here on the quarter. And now, if they want to, we got to go back down to this level right through here. At the moment, we're just all trying to get through the month and see what the next day brings. Now, the positive side is that the majority of the time when the market feels like it has nowhere to go but down, that's when it catches a lot of traders off guard and we start to reverse. Let's take a look at the last one here, UDOW. UDOW, same story, inside year, 222 rev in force here for the quarter. And then the month went 212 down. And now we've got this big shooter here on the week, which could take us right back down to here. That's it. Those are the 4 ETFs that we follow. And at the moment, it looks like we still are headed down. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And here's the deal. If you're new to trading, get into the Discord server, ask the questions, because in my opinion, you learn more from this kind of activity than you do like last year where we were in an uptrend the entire time. All right, take care. God bless. Talk to you later.